You are looking at a miniature monster. Inside its mouth, it is hiding around 14,000 microscopic teeth on its tongue. It works exactly like a slow-motion chainsaw, grinding down anything in its path. But being a destructive machine is exhausting. If the weather gets too dry or cold, they don't just hide, they shut down entirely. A snail can sleep for up to 3 years straight. Imagine taking a nap and missing 3 birthdays. Nature is absolutely terrifying. Subscribe for more weird facts.